morning and happy Homecoming Friday. I am student meteorologist Amanda Reynolds here with your forecast for this homecoming weekend, September 26th, 2014. And although it looks like a beautiful Friday right now, it was not that way this morning. Current temperatures here in State College 57. Our visibility is at 10 miles right now, but it was not like that this morning. This is a time lapse from in front of the Arboretum. The fog did not clear out until around 9:30 this morning, so it was quite a foggy start to your Friday morning. Temperatures across the center region are mostly in the mid-60s, although here in Center County, our temperatures are quite a bit cooler because that fog did hang around. Again, here in State College, only 57 degrees, where Harrisburg and Allentown are at 69 and 67, with Philadelphia, which has had quite a bit of sunshine this morning, is at 70 degrees. Looking at our forecast for today here in State College, highs will be around 75 degrees with brilliant sunshine. Winds will be out of the northeast at around 5 miles per hour, so not too bad for your forecast for today. But looking forward to the homecoming parade, it starts at 6 p.m. A group from the College of Earth and Mineral Sciences, which the meteorology department is part of, will be outside of Dyke Building, so feel free to come and join us. Temperatures will be around 69 degrees, and the forecast looks great for the homecoming parade. Temperatures will cool off relatively quickly after around 7 p.m. because that is when our sunset is for tonight. So do plan ahead, as the homecoming parade typically does go after dark. Jumping forward to our forecast for the football game tomorrow, your homecoming game against Northwestern. For morning tailgates, do make sure you bring a jacket because it will be quite a cool start to the morning, only in the 60s for most of the morning tomorrow. By noon kickoff, there will be a light wind with mostly sunny skies, temperatures around 70 degrees. After the game, around 4 or 5 o'clock for those post-game tailgates, warmer temperatures around 77 degrees, quite a bit warmer than average here in State College, with again brilliant sunshine. So this should be quite a wonderful homecoming weekend. Those festivities will not be affected by the weather, except in a positive way. Looking forward to our 7-day forecast, we talked about the trend for this weekend being sunshine. That trend continues into early next week. Temperatures will climb through the day into Sunday, with temperatures topping out at around 78 degrees, cooling back down early into next week, but temperatures still around average in the lower 70s. That sunshine does stick around, so keep an eye on that. But for right now, I'm Amanda Reynolds. Have a wonderful Friday and have a happy homecoming.